Hi MTV, welcome to my crib. Hey guys, so me and Gratz just moved into a brand new flat and we are obsessed with this place, so we couldn't wait to show you guys a little tour. As you can see, I'm wearing, you know, my woman in luxury white robe today because I'm extra and why not? So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this tour of our brand new place. We are so excited to be here, so yeah, join us for the ride. So yeah, as you can see guys, this is the entrance. It's quite spacious, to be honest. So we're thinking about adding a coat rack. We've only been here for like 4 days, so the apartment actually came furnished, but it only came with the basics, so we've still got a lot of things that we're going to add. So yeah, when you enter, the first room that you see is actually my bedroom. So come on in. So when you first enter my bedroom, this is the first thing that you see, and it's a shoe rack. It's an 8-story shoe rack. It's pretty good, to be honest. I actually got this from Argos. So it's just got all of my shoes, and I also put some bags at the top and this cute little plant, you know, for the aesthetic, for the vibes. And then we have my humongous clothing rail. So we've ordered wardrobes, but they're not coming until tomorrow, so I've just set up this rail for the meantime, and it's got all of my clothes on here, and at the bottom I still have more clothes. Yeah guys, I have a lot of clothes. And then here I have my mirror section. This is where I'm gonna be taking all my selfies, you know, my little pictures for the gram. Yeah. Then I have this little fur rug for the vibes. Then this is my little getting ready section. So we've got this dresser here and this lovely light up mirror. This was actually a Christmas present from my mommy. I can't wait to use this because the lights on it make it so perfect to do your makeup. And of course behind it is this amazing floor to ceiling window, so you can see out, you know, see a little view while you're getting ready. Who doesn't love that, you know? Beneath the dresser we have these chest of drawers, and these actually came with the apartment and they're super cute. Then I have this little section over here. As you can see, I have my little sunglasses drawer. I actually saw a YouTuber with this. I cannot remember who it was for the life of me, but I had to buy it because I never ever know where to put my sunglasses, so this is literally perfect. Then I have some little prints over here. This one's plain, but I love this one because it literally is very triggering, okay? It basically says, ask yourself if what you're doing today is getting you closer to where you want to be tomorrow. So if I'm sat around wasting time, I can read this and be like, okay, I got stuff to do, okay? And then here I've got another little rail. You know, guys, I have a lot of clothes. So this is just another cute place to have my coats. I did it color coordinated. Will it stay like this? I'm not sure, but for now, you know, it looks cute. And this is my bed. This is where the magic happens. I always wanted to say that. But yeah, the only magic that's actually happening will be sleep, and that is the real magic, okay?
Period.
But yeah, this is my bed. I've got my 2 Decennial prints up there. I haven't actually hung them up because I'm not sure if I want to keep them like this or change them up, but for now they're cute, okay, because these are also from my old bedroom. But yeah, I chose this print of LA because LA is just a vibe. Like palm trees are like my favorite thing on earth, so I had to get this print. And this is a print of the sea, the ocean. Guys, whenever I'm at the beach, like, I just feel amazing. It's literally my favorite place to be, so I had to get the ocean. I feel like when I look at it, I just feel calm and peaceful, and that's my vibe. I just like peace, I like harmony, you know. So yeah, this is my bed. I put this little throw over here just for now, you know. I think it looks cute. So yeah, this is pretty much my bedroom. I'm really so happy with it. I still have to add a chair here, so I'm just gonna have like a beige creamy chair with gold legs. So I'm gonna have like gold accents as a consistent theme in this room. So yeah, that is pretty much my bedroom. So let's go to the living room. Okay, let's go. So actually, before we get to the living room, okay, I need to show you what's behind this door, and this is the bathroom. It's just beautiful. Is it not beautiful? So yeah, the whole bathroom is pretty much marble, and it's just absolutely stunning. It's unreal. Yeah, toilets here. We have 2 lovely shower heads at the top, so you can choose, okay? We got options. This sink is actually huge as well, which is great. For now, I just put these cute little soap dispensers here because I think it's really cute. Instead of having like, I don't know, a bottle of like Dettol hand wash. I'm just gonna pour it into here and it's gonna be cute. I'll also put my toothbrushes in here, and guys, these were only £1 from Poundland, so get yourself a bargain if you like these. So behind the door we also have a heated towel rack. So yeah, I got these towels from eBay if you guys are interested in that. Here behind this mystery door, which will not be opening because it's a hot mess, we have all of our shenanigans that you don't want people to see, you don't want in your room, just like suitcases, boxes, all of that stuff, and it's huge in there, so plenty of space, for all the extraness. Come right into, my favorite place of this apartment, which is the kitchen / living area. So yeah, come on in. So that's the kitchen, and oh yeah, we have an island. Just a casual island, just casual. Don't mind me, just chilling on my island. Don't mind me, yeah. So we have an island. When we saw this, I wasn't actually at this apartment viewing. It was only my sister who came by herself because that day I wasn't available. But as soon as she sent me the video of this island, I said, we get it. We get in that place. I said, put it up now. Put it up right now. Right this second. So yes, we have an island. I'm so excited to have an island. It's just everything and more. And what's really nice about this is that there's space actually underneath this island. So we're gonna actually put in 3 bar stools. So it's really good. We're gonna have extra seating. Yeah. So come into the kitchen. Let me show you what's gonna be popping over here. Underneath our island, we have this. We have our oven. We actually also have a wine cooler. Yeah, we're bougie. We're bougie over here. Just a casual wine cooler. Yeah. It's serious, guys. And just inside the cabinets, of course, we have a washing machine and a dishwasher and loads of storage, which is amazing. Guys, we actually have a white sink, which is so cool and unique. I've never actually been in a place with a white sink like this before, and it's actually so beautiful. At first, we were a bit scared, like, is it gonna be hard to maintain? But so far, so good, And here is the fridge. There's not really much going on in here. We've only been here for a couple of days, so we've got like ingredients to make lasagna because we're gonna make lasagna tonight. Not that exciting. And I think our freezer is completely empty. Yeah, not that exciting. But yeah, that's our kitchen. It literally brings a tear to my eye every time I look at it. I'm just like, it's my kitchen. I also love these lights and the hair. They're just beautiful. They really add an ambiance to the room, I think. And now we have our living area. So this is our living area. Come on. We actually have a green couch. So this couch came with the apartment. Oh my. Guys, okay, so I have to tell you something about this couch. So this couch, right, is absolutely beautiful to look at. We were like, wow, this couch is gorgeous, but when you sit down, guys, this couch is not comfortable at all. So it's gorgeous to look at, but not comfy. So me and my sister are thinking about changing it. So we've just been looking at different couches, and yeah, so sorry, darling, but you gotta go because you're not comfortable. Okay, pretty much we just have these 2 console tables. I kind of like them, but my sister doesn't. She wants to get rid. So we're probably gonna change that up. Also, we're gonna get a nice big TV for this wall, so we can be watching movies and things like that. Yeah, behind this wall is my favorite part about this entire apartment, and it is these floor-to-ceiling corner windows. Come on over. These windows are just everything. You can literally see our city, and whenever you're sat on the couch, you can just look out at the view, and you're just like, oh my god, I'm just so grateful to be here. You just feel literally just so grateful. So right now the sun is starting to set, but when it gets to night, that is when the view is literally perfect. So do you guys want to see that? So this is the view at night, guys.
It's the views for me, baby.
Views for me, period. Guys, I'm sorry, but come on, just get it.
It's the freaking views, baby. Oh, okay, don't break our glass now.
The glass, but come on, guys. Are we not gassed about this view? Guys, when I'm just sat on that sofa looking out at this view, I just think, wow. This view at night is literally my favorite thing about this apartment. So I definitely saved best till last. But yeah guys, that pretty much brings me to the end of this video. The only thing that I haven't shown you is Gratsi's room, which you will see over on her channel. I'll link that video in the description so you guys can check that out. We also have a gym and a like coffee, cafe, lounge area, which is unreal. And they also say that residents can have free coffee. When I heard that, I got so excited. But unfortunately it's closed right now because of, you know, COVID, so I can't show you that right now. But when it's open again, I'm sure I'll show you guys in future vlogs. But yeah guys, that brings me to the end of the video. I'm literally just so excited about this new apartment, and I'm so excited to, you know, add our own twist and add our own vibe. Make sure you comment down below what your favorite part was about this tour, and yeah, I'll definitely reply back and we can have a nice little chat. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, and yeah, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye guys. Mwah.